Welcome to online math for all. Here we have a problem on limit. That is we have to evaluate limit x tends to 9 square root of x minus 3 over x minus 9. Okay, in this limit if I apply the given limit x tends to 9 as it is, let us see what happens. So I substitute 9 for x in this function, then it will be square root of 9 negative 3 over 9 negative 9. So we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So it's 3 minus 3 over 9 minus 9. So the value of 3 minus 3 is 0 and 9 minus 9 is 0. So 0 over 0 is called indeterminate form. Okay, whenever we get indeterminate form, that is 0 over 0 as a result for any limit, that's not the final value. It can be improved. How it can be improved? So there are two ways to improve the indeterminate form. One is we can simplify the given function before we apply the limit, and then we can apply the limit. After simplification we can apply the limit. The second way is we can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, always we will try the first way, that is we have to simplify the given function. So once the given function is simplified as far as possible, we can apply the limit given. Okay, how do you have to simplify this function? Okay, we all know that x is equal to, one second, square root of x a whole square. I mean x can be written as square root of x a whole square, because square root of x a whole square is equal to x. How? The square root and square will cancel, still this is equal to x. So if you want, x can be written as square root of x a whole square. So here what I am going to do is limit x tends to 9 square root of x negative 3. This x can be written as square root of x a whole square, and this 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, now the denominator is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, we all know that the a square minus b square is equal to a positive b times a negative b. So the square root of x a whole square minus 3 square can be written as square root of x plus 3 times square root of x minus 3. So limit x tends to 9 square root of x minus 3 by square root of x plus 3 times square root of x minus 3. So the square root of x minus 3, square root of x minus 3 will cancel out. We get limit x tends to 9 1 over square root of x plus 3. Okay, now we have simplified the given function. Now we can apply the limit x tends to 9, that is we can substitute 9 for x into this function. Then we get 1 over square root of 9 positive 3. The value of square root of 9 is just 3. So 3 positive 3, which is equal to 1 over 6. So we have evaluated the given limit, that is equal to 1 over 6. I think everyone can understand this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.